Hey everyone, this is Tom Hazard of the Feed Your Brand podcast and Podetize.com. And I am here today for another unboxing in our series of microphones that we're testing and comparing so you can listen side by side and see which microphone you'd like to purchase for your podcasting needs. And this microphone today we're going to be unboxing and experiencing for the first time is the Shure PGA48 vocal microphone. It's another cardioid dynamic microphone. As I've said before, the majority of our microphones are going to be cardioid dynamic because that is a quality you really want to have in terms of functionality. So I'm going to go ahead and start unboxing this one. Let's see. Oh, didn't need to cut any tape. That's nice. And let's see, again with a warning card, limited warranty, and a Shure sticker if you're into stickers. A lot of bubble wrap, wow. And, oh, very interesting. So the microphone comes with a mount for your, a mount for the microphone, which could go into a stand or a boom. And then it's got a little carrying case, little cheapy vinyl one. Comes with a 15-foot Xlr cable. I'm not really going to use that because I have an Xlr cable already. And comes with the user guide. What I'm noticing it does not come with, their mount here for mounting to a boom or to a stand has the larger thread. It doesn't have the small adapter. If you were going to use this on a boom mount, you would have to go and get that little adapter that we've seen. If you looked at any of our other unboxing videos of some of the other microphones, all the others have come with the right adapter. I do have a shock mount on my boom, so I'm going to be able to just use that. It's got a little on-off switch here and it's got a little red sort of indicator there. When you move the switch, you see the red dot. I'm going to try to show you here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little red dot inside of there. Not an LED, but just to let you know it's on or off. And you would want to put a windscreen on this or use a pop filter of some kind, and of course it has a Xlr connector at the back. So this is not going to be a USB microphone. You're not going to be able to plug this directly into your computer without another interface, USB interface, like I've talked about before. I like the Focusrite Scarlett series of devices is one option. There are some others as well, and of course I have an interface here that I use. So I'm going to use that. So next I'm just going to show you quick how I would mount it to my boom mount, and then we'll do our audio test recording. Okay, so one thing I noticed right away, the Shure microphone, I would call this more of a stage microphone is style. I mean, I'm sure it's perfectly good for podcasting, but it has this tapered handle, which you see more on stage mics because the kind of mounts that they go into. And I have, a pretty common shock mount here, and it's too small for that. So I have an adapter that I've made for some other microphones. So I'm going to use that here to show it go into the boom mount. And then I'm going to connect my Xlr cable. And now we're going to be good to go. So, pretty simple to mount it to your boom mount. Now, I guess that's about the end of this unboxing video. Pretty simple, straightforward microphone. And don't forget to go to the blog post on feedyourbrand.co where we have all the comparisons side by side of the audio, where you'll be able to hear the actual quality that this Shure PGA48 vocal microphone, you'll be able to hear exactly how it sounds and compare its quality to the other ones. We'll also have the information on all the prices of all the microphones there, so you can also use that as part of your decision-making process. Check it out and see which microphone would be best for you to use. So thank you. That's it for now.